All right, our new reading packet, okay, is again weather and climate, but this time we're going to be reading articles about the blizzard. Okay, we're going to read this text called Blizzard Alert. We're going to read 15 blizzard facts for you guys, for kids. We're going to read that, and then on here you're going to write a narrative. Let's see what you have to write first. It says you just learned about blizzards or about a blizzard, which we are going to do in a second. Okay. Now imagine a blizzard hits your town. So imagine a blizzard hits Clovis, okay, or hits our school. Okay, write a fictional narrative about what happens. So what happens if a blizzard hits our town? Okay, take information from the article Blizzard Alert, which is the first one, the first article that we're going to talk about this one. So take information from this text, okay, to help you write your story. And you notice it's just one page. Story doesn't have to be very long, right? You need a beginning, middle, and ending. Okay, introducing the characters. Okay, the climax is when the part of your story is really exciting, and then the ending and some of what your characters might learn. Okay, kind of similar to the hurricane one that we did, right? All right, so let's read this. You need a highlighter for this. It says blizzards are severe winter storms. They can cover whole towns in a blanket of snow. Blizzards have high winds, below freezing temperatures, and blinding snowfall. So that's important, isn't it? So blizzards have high winds. That's one thing. Below freezing temperatures. That means the temperatures are below 32 degrees, by the way. And blinding snowfall. What do you think they call it blinding snowfall? Because there's so much snow that you can barely see. You can barely see. Okay. Some can last several days. Depending on its size and duration, a blizzard can affect several states. So depending on its size and duration. So maybe in my story, what states we would be in? California, right? Okay. Says one of the worst cases in U.S. history was the Great Blizzard of 1888. On March 11th and March 12th of that year, a brutal winter storm hit the Northwest. It dumped 100 to 127 centimeters, or they converted it to 40 to 50 inches of snow on 4 states. Whoops, I could highlight that because in your story, you might want to say how much snow fell, right? As a result, more than 400 people died in Connecticut, Massachusetts, New Jersey, and New York. All right. Huge snowdrifts buried houses and trains. 200 ships also sank at sea, covered by snow and tossed by fierce winds. So, did it cause a lot of damage? Did it cause a lot of damage? Yes. So, in your story, you might want to add what kind of damage did it cause. Obviously, we don't have any ships, but trees could be blown away, right? Houses could be damaged. Roofs could be sunk in, okay, because too much weight of the snow could on top. At that time, people did not have any way to know how severe a storm would be. Since then, science has come a long way. Today, we can use computers and satellite images to predict where a storm will go. You can also use weather data to estimate how long a storm will last. We can also use weather data to estimate how long a storm will last and how powerful it will be. No one can ever be certain of a storm's course. Like where's it going to go? So severe weather cannot be stopped. But planning for these events is crucial. So the next part is going to tell you probably what they do. For instance, staying indoors Staying indoors during blizzards is recommended. Also, planning for proper snow and ice removal in these emergencies can save lives. So there's some things that you could do to help you. So in my story, I'm going to include maybe the damage that the blizzard has done, and then what I did to get to safety and to protect yourself. Right? All right. It says 15 blizzard facts for kids. Okay, a snowstorm is considered a blizzard when it has sustained winds at least 35 miles per hour, and visibility is reduced to less than a quarter mile for an extended period, usually 3 or more hours. Okay. A snowstorm is considered a severe blizzard if the sustained winds are greater than 45 miles per hour, near zero visibility, and the temperature is below 10 degrees Fahrenheit. A ground blizzard occurs when snow has fallen and strong winds blow around loose snow on the ground, creating whiteouts and snowdrifts. Okay, some intense blizzards can have wind speeds as strong as a Category 1 or Category 2 hurricane. The northwest side of an intense winter storm system is often where blizzards conditions occur. This is number 6, any geographical location that has snowfall can have a blizzard or blizzard-like conditions. Blizzards are most often experienced in the Great Plains and upper Midwest of the United States. The term blizzard was coined by an Iowa newspaper in the 1870s to describe a snowstorm. The term became widespread and synonymous in the 1880s with dangerous snowstorms across the United States and England. A blizzard watch is issued when blizzard conditions are possible within 12 to 48 hours. Okay, a blizzard warning is issued when blizzard conditions are occurring or expected to occur within 12 to 18 hours. Traveling by car during a blizzard is extremely dangerous. Due to the low visibility and dangerous road conditions, accidents are far more likely to occur. A bomb cyclone blizzard in 2019 caused a 100 car pileup in Colorado on the I-25. Traveling on foot during a blizzard can result in severe injury or even death. In other words, stay indoors, okay, away from windows, okay. Says hypothermia onsets rapidly during a blizzard, and with low visibility, it's easy to get lost. There are several verified cases of people dying in a blizzard just a few yards from their house. Okay. Snow Magdadon was a major blizzard that affected the majority of the northeastern United States between February 5th and 6th in 2010. This massive winter storm brought historic snowfalls in every single mid-Atlantic state. After the storm hit Washington, D.C., people were skiing in the streets. Like there was snow, so much snow that you could ski on the streets. That's pretty cool. Okay. The deadliest blizzard in the United States was the 1888 Great Blizzard. In 2 days, up to 4 feet of snow fell in affected areas. That means, Lena, you would be all the snow would be over your head. Okay. Connecticut, Massachusetts, New Jersey, and New York, causing more than 400 fatalities, okay, or deaths. The deadliest blizzard in the All right, I'm going to read 14 again. The deadliest blizzard in the United States was the 1888 Great Blizzard. In 2 days, up to 4 feet of snow fell in the affected areas: Connecticut, Massachusetts, New York, and New Jersey. New Jersey and New York, causing more than 400 fatalities. By the way, Connecticut, Massachusetts, New Jersey, and New York, that they're in the east part of the United States. Okay, not on our side. The deadliest blizzard in the world was the 1972 Iran blizzard. It's estimated that as much as 26 feet of snow, okay, 26 feet. That's like our classroom on top of another class, okay? Like almost like a two-story building. It's estimated that as much as 26 feet of snow fell during this historic blizzard, causing more than 4,000 fatalities, 4,000 deaths. Okay? So now what you're going to do is you're going to take the information from this, okay, that we highlighted, and you're going to write a short fictional narrative story. Okay? And again, look, it says write a fictional narrative story about what happens. Okay? What happens when a blizzard hits your town? That's it. We good? All righty then.